Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Kashmir. Today, lecture 4. It is video 125. This lecture is about carbene reactive intermediate. It is for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, Unit 1. Carbenes. Carbenes are electrically neutral organic species with a divalent carbon atom. 6 electrons are in outermost shell, 4 electrons are bonded and 2 electrons are non-bonded electrons. Depending upon the distribution of 2 non-bonded electrons between 2 orbitals, the carbenes are of following two types: singlet carbene and triplet carbenes. Singlet carbene. Singlet carbene, its geometry is angular or V-shaped. Both non-bonded electrons lies in one orbital with opposite spin. It is electron deficient, so acts as electrophile. sp2 hybridization, diamagnetic in nature. Triplet carbene. Its geometry is linear. Both non-bonded electrons lies in two different orbitals with same spin. It is electrophile, electron deficient. Hybridization of carbene. Triplet is sp hybridization, and it is paramagnetic in nature. Formation of carbenes. Thermal or photochemical decomposition of diazomethane and ketene gives carbenes. See here, diazomethane. When it is heated or photochemical decompose, it will form carbene and nitrogen. So reactive methylene group is obtained from diazomethane. Generally, diazoalkanes are also formed alkyl carbene when they are heated or they are decomposed in presence of photochemical reaction. Ketene also form carbene plus carbon monoxide as a byproduct. Base catalyzed alpha elimination of chloroform generates a dichlorocarbene. See here, strong base. When this chloroform is reacted in presence of hydroxyanion, hydroxyanion will abstract proton and it will give dichlorocarbene. Similarly, here, chlorobromoalkane, when they are reacted in presence of strong base and lithium diisopropylamide as a catalyst, here bromide is better leaving group than chloride and it will give this carbene, chloroalkane carbene. Stability of carbenes. Stability of carbene. Singlet methylene are less stable compared to triplet methylene. Triplet methylene are more stable. While in case of dichlorocarbene, triplet dichlorocarbons are less stable compared to singlet dichlorocarbene, or singlet dichlorocarbons are more stable because chloride is more electronegative than proton. Reactions of carbenes. Addition of singlet carbene across the double bond is stereospecific, whereas triplet carbene is not stereospecific. See here, cis and trans, this singlet carbenes, they are stereospecific and they will give us cis and trans product. Means cis will give cis and trans will give trans. Why cis or trans alkenes, when reacted with triplet carbene, it will form cis and trans product. They are not stereo specific. Is both will form the mixture of cis and trans product. Insertion reactions. When in alkane, normal alkane, carbene means reactive methylene group is reacted, it will give a mixture of product, normal alkane and isoalkane. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. In Riemann-Tiemann reaction, this dichlorocarbene, it will give us mixture of two product, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and parahydroxybenzaldehyde. This is the mechanism how it forms. Hoffman carbonyl amine reaction. This reaction is also occurred through dichlorocarbene. This is the reaction and it will give us alkyl isocyanide product. Thank you very much for today's lecture. In next lecture, we will discuss about nitrines and arynes. Thank you once again.